ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः हरि ॐ Bhagavad Gita 10th chapter 31st shloka. Now, upon the request of Arjuna, Sri Krishna is telling main manifestations of himself in this world. Before that, he has told that everything in this world is his manifestation. Now he is giving the best among things. He is telling about the best among the things in the universe. Pavanah pavatam asmi, Ramah shastrabhritamaham, Jhashanam makaraschashmi, Srotasam asmi Jannavi. Pavatam of the purifiers, Pavanah wind, Asmi I am. Shastrabhritam among those who have hold weapons. So in Sanskrita, Shastra means that which is held on to, that which is kept on one's body and then one fights, like sword. That is Shastra. And Astra is something which is sent like a missile. So here Sri Krishna says, among the Shastra Bhrita, that means among people who have Shastra or weapons, Aham Rama, I am Rama. Jashanam Makaras Chasmi. Among fishes, I am Makara, shark. And Srotasamasmi Jannavi. Among the rivers or Srotas, streams, I am Jannavi, that is Ganga. Sarganam Adirantascha Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna Adhyatma Vidya Vidyanam Vada Pravadatamaham. Arjuna, O Arjuna, Sarganam of manifestations, Adi, the beginning, Cha and Antah, the end, Madhyam, the middle, Cha and Aham, I, Eva, alone, Vidyanam of all knowledges, Adhyatma Vidya, I am the knowledge of the self, and Pravadatam of people who enter into arguments, disputes. I am Vadaha. I am Aham. I am Vadaha. I am the Vada. Vada means the argument. The argument of people who are entering into a dispute. I am the argument. That means I am the basis of their dispute. So here, Sarganam Adi Antascha Madhyam Chaivaham Arjuna. Among manifestations, I am the beginning, I am the middle, I am the end. So I am the entire manifestation. So the biggest manifestation of Brahman is this universe. So I am the manifestation. Then of all knowledges, I am the knowledge of the self. Of all knowledge, I am the knowledge of self. And I am the argument in a dispute. Vada or discussion is classified into three. One is Vada, another one is Vitanda, the third is Jalpa. So, the first Vada, in that the goal is to arrive at the truth. In the second, that is called Vitanda, the goal is to destroy the other person's argument. The goal is to simply cut the other person's argument. So even if the other person's argument is logical, you find a way to cut that person's argument. And the third, Jalpa, is to just tell one's own opinion, whether it is logical or not, whether the other person's opinion can be also accepted or not. That is not seen in Jalpa. You just go on telling your own argument. So in many Indian languages there is a proverb like whichever rabbit I have held on to, that has got 3 legs. So rabbit does not have 3 legs. But that is the arguments. I will not change my stance. I will keep my standpoint will be the same, whatever you say. So here this is the idea. Vada, Vitanda, Jalpa. There are 3. So Sri Krishna says, I am Vada. Because the goal of Vada is to arrive at the truth. So in an argument, if you try to arrive at the truth, I am that. I am Vada. Then Sri Krishna says, Aksharanam akara usmi dvandvaha samasikasya cha ahame vakshaya kalo dhataham vishvato mukha. Aksharanam akaras asmi. Akara hai. Aksharanam of the letters, I am akara hai. I am the letter A. Samasikasya of all compounds, I am dvandvaha. Dvandvaha. Dvandva samasa, where you bring together 2 different words. That is dvandva samasa. In a way that both will remain in their original form. That is dvandva samasa. Aham eva, I alone, akshayah, the inexhaustible, kalah, time, aham vishvato mukha, I am the all formed, dhata, dhata, I am the sustainer, I am the sustainer. So here of the letters I am akara hai, because in every letter there will be akara. Akara, the sound a is present in every letter. So that is why of letters I am the letter akara. A. And I am the inexhaustible time. I am the time. Akshayah kalah. Akshayah means that which has no kshaya, means no end. So I am the inexhaustible time means I am eternity. Eternity. Then I am the sustainer. Vishvato mukha dhata. I am the sustainer, dhata of the entire universe. Because how I am the dhata? Because whatever action I do, I don't get the result of that action because I am unattached. So other people get the result of the actions. Also, I give the result of actions of all people. Suppose somebody does some action, then that person gets the result of that action. Mrityuhu sarvaharaschaham. I am Mrityuhu. Aham, I, sarvaharah, all capturing, Mrityuhu, death. I am the all-seizing death. Cha, and bhavishyatam, of those who are to be prosperous in the future. Udbhava, prosperity. Cha, narinam, of. So here the shloka is 34th shloka. Mrityuhu sarvarash chaham udbhavascha bhavishyatam kirti shri vakcha narinam smritir medha dhriti kshama. So I am the all-seizing Mrityuhu. I am the all-seizing death. And bhavishyatam, those people who are going to be prosperous in the future, of them I am the prosperity. I am the Udbhavaha. And Narinam Kirti Shri Vak Dhriti Smriti Medha Kshama. Among women of the feminine qualities. Narina means of the feminine qualities. What are the qualities I am? Smriti Kirti, fame. Shri, prosperity. Then Vak, inspiration or speech. Smriti, memory. Medha, intelligence. Dhriti, Dhriti means constantness, steadiness. Kshama, constancy or steadiness. Kshama, forbearance. I am. So among the feminine qualities, these are feminine qualities means qualities who have a feminine gender in Samskrita. So feminine qualities means qualities that have a feminine gender. Because Smriti, anybody can have. A man, woman or transgender can have Smriti. Medha, anybody can have, irrespective of the gender. But these words have feminine gender. That is why Nari Nam. Nari means not, here does not mean woman. It means the feminine gender. So of the feminine gender, qualities of the feminine gender, I am Kirti, I am fame, I am Shri, I am prosperity, I am Vak, I am speech, I am Smriti, memory, I am Medha, intelligence, I am Dhriti, constancy, Kshama, forbearance, etc. So one should have all these qualities. Then Sri Krishna says, Brihat Sama Tatha Samnam Gayatri Chandasamaham Masanam Marga Shirshoham Ritunam Kusumakarah. Aham, I, Tatha also, Samnam of Sama hymns, I am Brihat Sama. I am the Brihat Sama, big Sama hymn. Chandasam, among the meters of poetry, I am Gayatri. Aham Gayatri. I am Gayatri. Gayatri meter. Masanam, among months, I am Marga Shirsha. I am the month of Marga Shirsha, which starts from the middle of November, somewhere during November, and ends in December. That is Marga Shirsha. Masanam Marga Shirshoham. Then he says, Ritunam Kusumakarah. Among seasons, I am the season when flowers bloom. Kusumakarah. That is the Vasanta Ritu, spring. Vasanta. Then Sri Krishna says, Dyutam Chalayatam Asmi, Tejas Tejasvinamaham, Jayosmi Vyavasayosmi, Sattvam Sattvavatamaham, Aham, I, Chalayatam, of the fraudulent, Dyutam, the gambling, Tejasvinam, of the powerful, Tejaha, power, Asmi, I am, Aham, I, Jayah, victory, Asmi, I am victory, Vyavasayah, among effort, I am Sattvavatam, of the Sattvika, I am Sattva. So, among the fraudulent persons, I am gambling. I am gambling of the fraudulent persons. And then I am the power of the powerful. I am victory. I am Jaya and Vyavasaya. And I am effort. Effort means endeavor, any kind of effort put. That is called Vyavasaya. I am Sattva of the Sattvika. Of the Sattvika person, I am the Sattva. So, I am the victory of the people who get victory. And I am the effort of those people who make an effort. Then Sri Krishna says, Vrishninam Vasudevosmi, Pandavanam Dhananjayah, Muninam Apyaham Vyasah, Kavinam Ushana Kavihi. Aham, I am Vrishninam, of the Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva. I am Vasudeva. Pandavanam, of the Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya. I am Dhananjaya. Api, also Muninam, of the Munis, I am Vyasah. Kavinam, of the sages, I am Ushanas Kavihi. I am Ushanas Kavi. Ushana is the name of a sage. And Kavi means sage. Asmi, I am. So, among the Vrishnis, I am Vasudeva. Among the Pandavas, I am Dhananjaya. Among the Munis, I am Vyasa. Among the sages, I am Ushanas, sage. Dando Damayatam Asmi, Nitirasmi Jigishatam, Maunam Chaivasmi Guhyanam, Jnanam Jnanavatamaham. I am among the Damayatams. Damayatam means of the punishers. So those people who punish, I am Danda. Danda is that stick which is scepter, which is scepter, which is used to punish. So I am the punishing rod of the punishers. Asmi, I am Jigishatam. Jigishatam, of those who want Jaya or victory. Those who desire to conquer. I am Niti. I am statesmanship. And Asmi, Gohyanam. Among the things which are secret, I am Maunam. So Maunam is the best secret. If you don't tell anything, then there is no point of, then there is no fear of somebody telling the truth. If you just keep quiet, that is the best secret. And secrets usually should be between two people. If it is between three people, then it is no more a secret. So Guhyanam Maunam Chaeva. So among things which are secret, I am silence. If you don't tell, that is the best secret. Asmi, I am Jnanavatam Jnanam. Among those who know, I am knowledge. So of the punishers, I am the punishing rod. Those who want to conquer, I am statesmanship. And of people who know, I am knowledge. And of things which are secret, I am silence. Silence, Maunam. Yachapi sarvabhutanam bijam tadaham Arjuna. Na tadasti vinayastyan maya bhutam characharam. Arjuna, O Arjuna, yat whatever, cha and sarvabhutanam of all beings, bijam, seed, tat that aham, that I am. So whatever is the seed of all the beings, I am that seed. And aham, I, api also, maya vina, without me, yat what syat can exist, tat that characharam, moving or unmoving, bhutam being, nasti, there is not. So whatever is the seed of all living beings, that I am, O Arjuna. Now Sri Krishna says there is no being, whether chara or achara, that means whether moving or unmoving, that can exist maya vina, without me. That can exist without me. So there is no living being that can exist without me. And I am the seed or the source of all living beings. Nantosti mama divyanam vibhutinam parantapa eshatu deshatah prokto vibhute vistaro maya. Parantapa means one who burns one's enemies. Mama, he is addressing Arjuna, Parantapa. Mama, my divyanam, divine, vibhutinam, attributes, antah, end, na asti, is not there. Earlier also, some shlokas earlier, he has told Arjuna that there is no end to my divine qualities. Eshaha, this tu, but vibhutehe vistaraha maya. But this attributes or divine qualities, vistaraha, in detail, baya, by me, uddeshatah, brief statement, proktah, has been said. So he says that you had asked for telling about my qualities. You wanted me to tell my qualities in vistara, means in detail. Now what I did, I have told you a brief statement of the details of my divine qualities. Only brief I have told you, because there is no end to my divine qualities. Then he says, Yadyad vibhuti matsattvam srimadurjitam eva va taddadevava gachatvam mama tejo amsha sambhavam. So he says, you see, it's very difficult for me to tell all my divine qualities. So I will give you one method. I will give you a technique. What is the technique? Vibhuti mat, great. Srimad, prosperous. Va, or, eva, indeed. Urjitam, powerful. Yatyat, whatever. Sattvam, being. Tattat, that eva. Mama teja amsha sambhavam. That is a product of or a part of splendor. Teja is splendor. Ansha sambhavam means it is just a part of that splendor, part of that splendor. Tvam tau avagacha, no. Tau avagacha. So, it is very difficult to tell all my qualities. But I have given you some brief statement about the particulars, details of my qualities. So then I give you this method that whatever is great, whatever is prosperous, or whatever is powerful, you know for certain that that is a part or product of my splendor. That is, it is one amsha of my teja, my splendor. So Sri Ramakrishna used to go to people who are excellent in their fields because of this sloka. Because he used to say in the Gita it is written that wherever there is some kind of greatness, there God is there. Now, God is there everywhere, but there is a better manifestation of God. Athava bahunaitena kim nyatena tavarjuna vishtabhyaham kritsnam ekanshena sthito jagat. So finally he is telling, what is the use of all this, knowing all this? Why are you wanting to know all this? Athava, or Arjuna, etena, by this, bahuna, by many, nyatena, to know, tava, your, kim, what purpose? Aham, I, Krishnam, idam, this Krishnam, whole, jagat, world, ekanshena, by a portion, vishtabhyah, supporting, sthitah, asti. I exist, sthitah. So the idea is, okay, you asked about my divine qualities, and I told you a brief statement. But the point is, what is the purpose in knowing so much? Why do you want to know so much? I am telling you that this whole world is existing by a small portion of myself. So this universe is not because of God, complete God. One small portion of God is sufficient to support this whole universe. That is the idea. So why are you asking so many questions? What purpose it will bring? Sri Ramakrishna used to say, eat the mango and go. Why do you want to know how many trees are there in the mangrove, how many leaves are there, etc.? It is not going to solve your purpose. What is your purpose? Here your purpose is that you are in confusion, delusion. You don't want to fight the war. So by knowing a little, you will be able to fight the war. Why are you asking so many questions which are not useful? And so I am telling you, Sri Krishna says, that this whole universe is supported by a small part of me. That means a small part of God is sufficient to support the entire universe. I don't need, this whole universe is not dependent on a huge thing to support God. So to be supported. God, full God is not supporting. Complete power of God is not necessary to support this universe, sustain this universe. Only a small tiny bit of the power of God is sufficient to support this universe. So that means we see so many things in this universe, so many galaxies, so many solar systems, so many planets, plants, trees, animals, flora, fauna, so many things we see. Then so much of technology, that, this, etc. All this has been produced or is being sustained by a small part of God. That is the idea. Ekanshena, just one small part of God. And for this itself we are so much surprised. We are flabbergasted. We are swept off. And that is only a small part of God. What about the complete God? So that is why there is no point in knowing, because it is not of any use. It is of no relevance for us. That's why he says, Arjuna, what is the point in knowing so many things? Just remember that this whole world is supported only by a small part of me. Om Shanti 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 Hari Om Tat Sat Shri Ramakrishna Arpanamastu.